Employment law is a huge topic, and with legislation constantly changing, it's important for HR professionals to keep up. Law on Tour is a series of one-day workshops run by the CIPD. The courses happen twice a year at locations across the UK, including London, Manchester and Edinburgh. They provide a simple and comprehensive way to get up to speed on the must-know now areas of employment law. Law on Tour is designed to suit your organisational needs, so you'll leave with a practical knowledge and understanding which can be applied back at work straight away. We use up-to-date case examples to explore some of the complexities associated with employment law. You'll also receive some invaluable user-friendly resources to refer to once the course is complete.
The pack's really useful that you get to take away. It has the case studies in that you've gone through, it has information about the various laws.
The Law on Tour courses are in plain English. It's quite easy to pick up.
It's delivered well, effectively, with up-to-date employment law.
It's very engaging, very interactive.
You can ask the tutors any questions you like throughout the day.
It's a good opportunity to meet fellow HR professionals.
Our tutors are among the UK's leading experts in employment law, with reputations for straightforward explanations and an entertaining style. And we only ever use the best venues.
It's a good venue. It's nice and light and airy, plenty of breaks, nice food, helpful staff. So yeah, it's a good place to be.
So, if you want to keep up to date with the latest employment law developments, join us today.